welcome to another episode of Guys with Games. I'm your host this week, David. This game this week is called Vocab Ninja. Okay, that was terrible. Anyways, you're going to draw two ninjas. One ninja represents this team, the other ninja represents this team over here, okay? This is a vocabulary game, so usually I like to have my students' vocabulary list. Hopefully it has more than 10 or 20. Hopefully it has something more like 50 words that I could choose from. And I'll have that vocabulary list up here. And what the students need to do is guess the word that teacher has written up on the board with blank spaces. So, for example, I'll say, okay, are you guys ready? I say, yes, teacher. The first word I'm thinking of is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters long. And so I'll open it to the class. They can start guessing words that they know that are 5 letters long. So someone on this team will say, apple. I'll say, sorry, that's not right. And they'll say on this team, table. Sorry. And as they continue to guess and exhaust their guesses, maybe about 4 or 5 go back and forth, then I'll start to give hints as to what it is. So giving them letters. They might say fancy. No, not fancy. Funnel. No, not funnel. And I think funnel has 6 letters in it. Okay, ready for another hint? Yes. Lunch. Ding, ding, ding. This team got it over here. How do you spell lunch? L-U-N-C-H. Ding, ding, ding. So I'll have this team over here go, hi-yo. And they go, hi-yo. And I draw an X, meaning this team has moved back 1 on the platforms. As soon as you get to 1, 2, 3, 4 X's, they get one last one. So they get a total of 5 X's. Like this team has to get a total of 5 words. And into the fire they go, or into the water they go. But everyone can just yell out the words as you go. You don't have to raise your hand. So if this team dominates because they've guessed 3 words, they guess fancy, tires, lunch, and they get it on their 3rd word, that's just kind of the nature of the game. If you have a class that one side is lopsided, like this side is really strong, you can have them raise their hand and take turns answering the question, or you can call on random students. But yeah, as you go, you fill in the letters, and each time I usually like to make them do a kind of karate sounding thing or ninja sounding, like, shh, go to sleep, something like that, anything, you know? It usually makes the game more fun, especially for your younger classes that are really silly. All right, again, that was Vocab Ninja. I'm Teacher David with Guys with Games. If you guys like this game and want to see more like it, hit that subscribe button and remember to hit the bell next to it so you can see all the latest games here on our channel. And if you like this video or use this video, please, we love getting feedback. We love your comments, and we always try and respond by giving videos that if we can help your class, if you have a small class or not. Yeah, and your comments help other teachers discover us. So hit the like, hit the comment button, tell us what you think. Cheers.